same thing is with these grilled chicken breasts. We did the same exact thing. They're going to be cooked and steamed perfectly, never overcooking, not drying out, not losing any of their natural moisture or juice. Here's another unique feature of the Combitherm. For pre-cooking my vegetables, instead of having to put them in boiling water and then into ice water to shock them to lock in the color and stop the cooking, I take the hose on the side of the oven and I can just spray the vegetables with the cold water and actually lock in the color. They'll stop cooking, and now I've got perfectly prepped vegetables that when I need them, I can put them back in the combi oven for 2 minutes, and I have hot vegetables every 2 minutes coming out of the oven, thus saving me on time in the kitchen and saving me on labor and giving me a much better product every couple of minutes to serve to the customer. For faster steam cooking, I've turned the temperature of the steam up to 240 degrees. This will give me not only faster cooking times, but a little bit drier product. So for like mashed potatoes, my mashed potatoes will be a little bit more fluffy and a little bit more flavorful and not waterlogged. Now, by cooking with steam and heat together, these rolls come out perfect. In fact, they have the nice color and the nice texture as artisan breads do from cooking with the steam and the heat. And that's very important. You need steam to develop this kind of a texture on your breads. With the combination mode or superheated steam convection mode of cooking, I can cook all of these different varieties of food all at the same time without any flavor transfer, and up to 40% faster than cooking in a convection oven. And they'll all come out perfect because of the automatic humidity control that adjusts the humidity perfectly for the food that's cooking in this oven. So it's one less thing that I need to set and worry about, making this a very user-friendly piece of equipment. In this combination mode, we're going to cook these pork spare ribs. These will only take about an hour to cook, and they'll be nice and tender and still juicy. The pizzas here will only take about 10 minutes. We've got frozen convenience items, lasagnas, and these will take only about 30 minutes from frozen. And we've got, once again, some marked off chicken breast. So if you need chicken in a hurry, 3 minutes in the combi oven, and these are done, cooked perfectly, and much more juicy than cooking in a traditional oven. First thing we're going to put in are our pork ribs. Slide them right in on the bottom. Next we'll go to pizzas. As you can see, we're just putting the food in here, and we don't have to worry about airflow because of the fan inside the oven. It adjusts everything, and we'll have perfect browning all the way throughout the entire oven. (350 degrees), and within 10 minutes, the pizzas will be done. We'll pull the chickens out after about 3 minutes. The benefit of cooking in combination mode is not only the speed, but the even color, the even roasting, and how well it bakes and warms things up, giving it perfect appearance and perfect flavor. Now that we've finished cooking this food in the combi oven, we need to do something with it. We either need to serve it to our customers, or we need to chill it, or we can put it into one of the hot holding cabinets and actually keep it hot for hours and hours. Now down below, we have holding hot a prime rib that we cooked. This prime rib actually went into this cook and hold oven yesterday afternoon. It cooked for approximately 3 hours at 250 degrees, and then it held hot at 140 degrees the rest of the evening. We can now take it out and serve it. The next cooking mode is convection. Convection is mostly used for doing bakery items. The advantage of baking this cake in the Combitherm oven is that unlike in a convection oven, I will not need to turn the pans. We'll have even browning throughout the entire cake.